Welcome. If you've ever needed to quickly remove a file from a folder in Google Drive using your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to move a file out of a folder in the Google Drive app, so you can keep your files organized just the way you want. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Files icon. This will show you all your files and folders in one place, making it easy to find what you need. Now, scroll through your list and open the folder that contains the file you want to move. Once you're inside the folder, find the specific file you'd like to remove. To the right of that file, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those dots to open up a menu of options for that file. From the menu, select Move. This will bring up a list of locations within your Google Drive. Here's the important part. To remove the file from the current folder, you'll need to move it to a different location. Tap the back arrow, or navigate out of the folder until you reach the main My Drive area or another folder where you want the file to go. Once you've chosen the new location, confirm your choice by tapping Move at the bottom of the screen. That's it. The file is now out of the original folder and safely stored in the new spot you selected. This method is perfect for reorganizing your files without deleting anything. Whether you're cleaning up your drive or just moving things around, these steps help you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you next time.